The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Stephen, Raymond, fellas, guys, good morning. Tuesday, June 2nd. We're getting a little pullback in the indices here. But coming into the session, futures are up. We do have buyers. Looks like volume is more normalized. About 800 buyers right now are currently in the NASDAQ. Looking at the ES, about 11,000 buyers overnight. So we do have buying. We are getting just a small retracement. Guys, I do have gold on. Randy, Sue, Bernard, I do have gold on. I have silver. And I have bonds. The bots are on. Slow trade, although the robots traded well. If you guys stuck it through and traded a little bit after the room closed, everything with the exception of silver finished up nicely. NASDAQ, after starting out with a loss yesterday, had two consecutive winners, finished up 640 on the 3-minute. In any event, we're here. We'll see what we get today. Let me first read the disclaimer. And then we'll check news. I don't think we have much today. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. There is your disclaimer. Jacques, good morning. Let me quickly check news. Today is Tuesday. Nothing. Redbook retail sales. Nothing. 4:30, of course, we have crude API, but we have no news today. Morning, Todd. Guys, I'm still playing a little catch up. Yeah, we're adjusting. We're still unpacking, of course. But we are it's on when it's black. When it's gray, it's off.
Order
3 minutes shorted also on the bot. NASDAQ is just sideways. So we came to 46.1 and bounced. That's where the support is. So we missed the second target by a couple of ticks. Still have sellers. So I don't have any reason to close the trade. There it goes. Come on. Come on. If NASDAQ gets up above 27, 28 area. Good morning, Todd. Yeah, all right, I'm going to take it off. 44 ticks. I closed it out. I can see it on a 5-minute chart I'm watching. Yeah, it took some heat. Gold has been just torturous for a couple of weeks. I agree. I don't know why. The bigger moves are overnight for anybody that's trading overnight. Our session has been just tough with gold, but yes is bid. There's a trade here to 70 half. Above that, it goes to 71.50 if anybody is interested in the ES. There goes gold. It just came down. It's got to come down below 46. Then it comes to 45.3. There's a trade on the NASDAQ. It's small at 25 half with a first target at 28. If anybody's interested in that, 25 half to 28. One tick. One tick shy. One lousy tick again. We're going to play this game just like yesterday. You stink. Should get it, guys. Small resistance here. Golly. We need about 15 more buyers, and I think it'll do it. Buyers are trying. There it is. First target filled. Yeah, the 377's pulling its weight today. There we go. We should break, guys. This should go up and get this now. So the bot has gone break even plus one. Break even plus one. Okay. What was that? Okay. This is an awfully tight stop. May come back and get it. Right? Here's your trail. So if I were trailing this, it'd be here. Okay, hang on. Okay. So this is the question. How much is enough? Right? If gold hits this target here in the 370, it just did to the tick. It didn't fill it. If gold takes that target, hit it to the tick and didn't fill. Okay. So here's where you're at. You're up $950 on 2 trades on gold. How much is enough? When do you say I'm done for the day? Right? You're up $950. That bot's off. It's done. For me, it's done. Guys, I'll be back. I'm going to go eat my breakfast. I'll be right back. On the 377 tick is up 950. I've shut that off. That's done. Silver I'll leave on for a bit. 259 million to buy. Thanks, Virgilio. Silver's up 750. And gold on the 3-minute after that long is down 510. Anybody have any questions before the open, guys? We've got a bit here. NASDAQ's trying to find some buyers here. If it gets through 13. $15 range, guys. Both targets hit and filled. Bonds are in a long. Russell, I've got nothing. NASDAQ, here it's trying now.
Order filled.
Come on, NASDAQ, you son of a bitch. Let's go. Pardon my French. Bonds hit first target. Hasn't filled yet. Come on, NASDAQ, go get that second target. Bonds are right at first target. It won't fill. ES, trying. $15 range is sitting sideways, walking that 30. There it goes.
Target filled.
All right, bonds got first target. They've gone break even +1. First trade of the week for ZB. So I'm going to move that off the screen. Can't be a loss. First target off on bonds.
Stop. Order filled.
Okay, now we went short on the Unirenko. Three ticks to target.
Target filled.
First target filled on the Unirenko. There's the 53 target on the ES, guys. Crude is lagging, but trying. Couple ticks shy of that second target. One tick shy. Came to 70.
Order filled.
NASDAQ still moving up over 9,600. That should help here. NASDAQ's turning up on the 3-minute as well. I think we came one tick from target. Yep, one tick. Strong wind's going to blow these things over. It's so slow. So we got first target on crude, break even +1. I'll move that off the screen. But silver was a beast forever. I don't know what is going on. I'll optimize that this next day or two. Russell's starting to bid again. So the Russell's at break even. Come on, crude. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be back in a minute. I'm back, fellas. So crude hit, second target didn't fill. So we got second target. I'm just milking it here on the Russell. I don't know why the NASDAQ won't bust out.
Target filled.
Got target. Russell got target. Okay, both targets hit on the Russell, up 640. Give me 1 second, guys. Be right back. I'm back, guys. NASDAQ's just goofing around here. There comes silver. There we go, silver. Come on, silver. Look at this. Again, one tick. Literally one tick again. It's 10:30 yet? Yeah, let me see if I have volume up. Crude up 330 on the 3 minute. The small time frame 500 tick down 1100 and went to targets. Just the stops are so small. ES 3 minute up 512.50. ES Unirenco up 500. This is gold on the daily. This is a huge swing here, right? I mean, the stops are huge. I'm just tracking it. This doesn't count anywhere. That was up 18 or 1900 at one point today. So gold is, you can see it, gold is getting blitzed, but it hasn't gone to stop. I'll leave it on just for the sake of conversation. Gold on the 3 minute down $20. 377 ticking, gold up 950. NASDAQ on the 3 minute down 165. NASDAQ on the 15 range up 625. Russell on the 3 minute up 640. Silver on the 6 range up 950. And ZB up 281.25. Gold's getting just blasted. This here, if the NASDAQ turns back up, we'll go green. It did it yesterday. The first trade yesterday was a losing trade down 940 and it finished up 640.